In this video, we are going to be analysing AAOI. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue this upward movement? So as of right now, on the longer term time frames, we have resistances at 350, 435, pushing past further would take us to 470, and then final levels at 525, 650, and 850. Now, these are on the longer term time frame, so these are more if you're expecting a push maybe over the next few days. Or if you're looking at more short bias levels, if you're looking to get quite big short movements, these would be the levels we're paying attention to. Now, if you're looking more for the intraday targets, if you're looking just for quick scalps or maybe shorter term day trades, then we would be paying attention to the intraday charts, or the 10-day on the left and the 20-day on the right. And then we would have resistances at kind of 350, 340. So expect a pullback coming into these levels. If we're able to break that, then we would be looking at 370, 407, and 444 as kind of other resistance levels going forward. Obviously, we can see as well we're kind of currently sitting on one around 335, but considering this is kind of considered more of an area of resistance, from around 330 to around 350 keeps being more resistance levels. So really, if you're looking to trade the breakout of here, you want to see a break above 350, come back to retest it before looking for the long bias to 370. Within this area, we're a bit more bearish just because we got so many layers of resistance. Now, onto the support side of things, if you expect a pullback and you want to maybe buy these long or just see when to cover your shorts. If you're looking at the intraday again, so if you're looking for the shorter term scalps or just like the shorter term day trades, like an hour outlook, then we'll be looking more at the 313 and the 285 support levels, with one in the middle around $3. But to get into the further out and the more stronger levels, we'll be onto the 6-month and the 1-year chart, where we would have a support level at 250. And really, if we broke that, we would expect quite a sell-off to around $1.70, taking us to $1 and kind of 75 cents. And these would be our key levels if we continue to break. So really, the key thing to be looking at on AAOI, whether you are short or long bias, is if we break below this 250, break below it, come back to test it as resistance, as we kind of saw in this move here, but we see selling pressure kick in, then really we would expect quite a sharp sell-off to around 170. So if we do break below that level, we would definitely be a bit more bearish on this stock and expect a downwards move. Now, on the resistance side, if you're looking at more of an upward move, as these are kind of a momentum stock, you're looking to just get in and out quite quickly. These, you just trade into these resistance lines, definitely be looking in profits coming into these resistance lines, because we would expect at least a pullback and at worst case scenario, a reversal. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video on Tesla.